Hello there people, it's your boy Scroll World, and in this review we'll test how to get free Delta Executor to your Roblox without downloading or installing any software or modded APK. So guys, in this tutorial we will test everything together and see is it actually working, and you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called bloxforge.com, you will find it easily. And then click on Delta Executor. So it should load up like this. And then we will have to enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So guys, if you don't know how to find it, just click here how to find it. I will just enter my username. And guys, that's pretty much it, what we will enter for this. We will not be asked to enter anything else, just your username and nothing else. So let me enter my and click connect account, and that's enough. So it will start fetching our Roblox profile and you should get this. So guys, when you get this, just confirm that it's you, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, we'll be connected, and now everything we will have to do is to click import newest Delta Executor, boom, and then we will select our scripts that we want to install along our Delta Executor. Guys, you can go without it, but I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius, and Soluna, for example, these four, and just click continue. And API will start connecting in. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more and I will review more websites. And look at this, guys. Third step, API connected, our Delta is ready, and we got our activation key already, guys. Let's click now. I'm not robot because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts, and let's see what we will get. So, oh my god. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta is imported to your account, guys. Look at this. And now we got our whole key unrevealed. So let's open our Roblox, guys, and let's test. Is it actually working or no? So let's play, for example, Grow a Garden. I don't know. Let's test. I love this game. So guys, we should receive Delta Executor along 4 scripts selected. So let's see, is it actually working or no? And look at this, guys. We got our Delta for free. I cannot believe that it actually worked, guys. Look at this. Now we can click there, and we can also go to this and search for scripts. Look at this, guys. Grow. Let's just type grow, and it should find your script hubs. And look at this, guys. Now you can execute literally whatever you like click there and click execute selected scripts. Look at this, and it will start working. But let's check for our scripts. Nice, guys, we got it imported. Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius, and Soluna, just as we selected. Let's click on Forge Hub, for example, and let's see is it actually working. So look at this, guys. Game detected, Grow a Garden, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Bloxforge.com was the only working one. I cannot believe that it was actually real. Look at this. We have amazing features for this, and literally each game you enter, you will have these features for your scripts. So guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And I think I helped you if I do. Make sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.